Alright, so what is up everyone? Welcome to the first day of the vlog. Not necessarily the first day, but the day before we actually fly out. So we're going to Philippines for 2 weeks and then Japan for 10 days. So in the Philippines, we're going to be going to Iligan City for 3 days, which is the city that my dad grew up in. So we'll be living at his place. And while we're there, we're going to be going to different tourist attractions and stuff. Because Iligan City is actually known as the city of Majestic Waterfalls. So we should be seeing a couple waterfalls, I think. I'm not too sure, but when we're there, I'll update you guys. 3 days there and then a week in Palawan. But we're gonna be in Puerto Princesa for about 3 days, I think. And then 4 days in a little island at the very bottom, which I think just borders Malaysia pretty much. So for 4 days called Balabak Island. So that'll be great. And then that's what, I think 4 days in Manila as well. And we'll be staying in Okada. So yeah, we've got a big trip ahead. Japan, I think doing 5 days each in Tokyo and in Osaka. And we'll be visiting Hiroshima as well, which would be pretty sick. Honestly, I can't wait to leave. I'm very, very excited. Never been to Japan before, so it'll be a new experience for me. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when we depart from the house. Alright, good morning guys. Today is finally the day that we are leaving.
Shut up, Nut.
Screw this guy, bro. Anyways, we're finally doing our last preparations at 4:35 in the morning. So the itinerary, is it itinerary? Itinerary. The itinerary for today is just traveling. We've got 2 flights to catch today.
Yeah, we do.
So we'll be arriving in where we need to be at like 9 o'clock at night. Are you excited, Rocco? Okay, he's gone.
Yeah, bro, I'm thrilled. Good morning.
Yeah, we're so happy to wake up this early. Now, unfortunately, we have to say goodbye to this little fella. Oh, hi! Oh, we're sorry, buddy. It's okay. Luigi's looking after you. Poor guy. It's finally time to go. Time to get this holiday started. Let's run it. Landed in Manila, guys. We're in.
Oh yeah, I see mine.
We're in this joint.
You see us?
How you going?
First thoughts of Manila?
It's good. It's nice. Like.
We're still in the airport.
We're still there. We'll update you guys when we get out.
Bobby.
So we got to transfer to a different terminal. Finally made it to Terminal 2. Just waiting on board our flight
Yeah.
at 6:45. I'm tired. We are tired. I don't know. Maybe not her.
I had an amazing sleep.
She actually slept in the plane. Finally on the last leg. I just want to go to sleep. I'm so tired. Just another 2 more hours of flying and then we'll be done. Hopefully. Oh, not even done yet because we've got another 2 hours of driving back home to my dad's place. So it's going to be great.
Our heartfelt renewed patronage of the flag carrier, we kindly request all passengers to remain in your assigned seats for the duration of this flight. If you are seated in an exit row,
It's officially day 2. Apologies for the lack of recordings last night. I was super tired, way too tired. But now I actually slept, have energy. I mean, to be fair, yesterday was just a lot of just traveling and stuff anyways, so pretty boring.
Hi.
We're just catching up with family.
I'll be blessing.
Nagkuan na ka no, naginog weight.
Oh!
Good looking.
Oh, thank you.
Ah! While we were catching up with friends and family and getting ready to go on with the day, we actually experienced an earthquake midway through it. It wasn't really a powerful one, but it was still enough to shake the ground, and you can feel it.
See? Oh, it's...
Ilya!
Hey, there's earthquake!
Dilinog!
We eventually had to go downstairs and evacuate the house and just wait till it all cleared up. And you could actually see the power lines moving as well, swaying side to side. After 5 minutes of just waiting, it was all good. It was nothing major. That was, what an experience. First ever earthquake I've experienced. I've been through three actually, but I slept through all three of those, apparently. But that was my first time ever experiencing one while I was actually awake. Felt weird. But you'd just be standing still and you'd be like swaying back and forth. Anyways, day 2, we're going Waterfall, I think, adventure. What's up, friends? We're off to Tinago. It's a waterfall here in Iligan. See you guys there. My baby, birds of a feather, each of a hand. For me, I fall in love with you. Alright, we have made it. We have made it to Tinago Falls. We've finally made it. About an hour drive up here, up in the hills. There's a lot of roadworks at the moment. Salamat. When you arrive here, you have fees you have to pay. So you have to pay 50 per head, and then 20 for parking, and then 95 in total. So about 95 PHP.
How much?
Which is about $3 Australian dollars. It's not too bad.
Each.
Yeah.
I didn't believe that. Yeah, put mentors in it. Didn't believe it.
Salamat.
Kanan nyo resibo, ipakita lang na dito.
Oh, sige. Salamat. Tara.
Dili man guro.
Muli man go chan.
Hey, did you do have to write anything on this?
No, that's it. Just she said just to write down 2 names out of us here. So I'd put my name down and this off you did. That's all good, bro. But look, here we go. We're here. Huh? What's man?
Banta.
Yeah, banta. Of course, siguro. Nahadlok ka? Di man kakabalo maglangoy. Uy. Hindi man ko. Promise? Promise? Sige. Anyways, just took a photo by the sign. This little guy here, he's scared because he doesn't know how to swim. Now, I think from last time I came here, in I think 2019. Oh, so 2019. But I think from what I know, I think there's about, oh, look, the dog's following us. I think there's about, I had 300 steps, right? Mga 300?
335.
335 steps there, and then 335 is back. So it's going to be pain coming back up. What even is that? My bananas. Oh, look at this. We got a little helper following us. Look at that. Yeah, look. Oh, okay, I think he's taking a break. Hey, Naman, look, he's following us. Dude, yeah, it's a bit, the steps here as well is very, very steep. I think when it came here last in 2019, the steps weren't actually finished. So there wasn't any railings. And it was a bit scary and dangerous, but it's alright. At least now, as you can see, there's at least railings and stuff, but look at this scenery around us though. Absolutely beautiful. And then look at this. Ay, sorry. What's man? The kids have just seen a beehive. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Damn. That's cool. Anyways, let's keep going. The dog is still following us. Look at how steep this steps are. Far out. It's held together by some rope, and it's like leaning as well a bit to the left, but you know, that's the Filipino way of fixing stuff, I guess. There's still a lot of damage here that hasn't been fixed. Like you saw, the railings aren't even held to the thing. Look at this. This is actually stunning. This is insane view.
Ya, bantog bitaw gitawag ni Tinago Falls.
Ano naman?
Tago man kayo.
Ah.
Ina kailan tago?
Oh.
Kanang dili tayo kon ba?
Like mga. Yeah. Oh. Well, that's what makes it good. The kids were just saying that the reason why it's called Tinago Falls is because it's not very known to people here apparently. So Tago means like hidden. So it's kind of called like hidden falls because, yeah, again, not much people know about this place apparently, which is good, I guess, for a little getaway. So it shouldn't be. Okay. So the kids have just told me to be careful here because it's slippery, the stairs. So just holding on to the railings when you go down. Look at that, absolute beauty. We are here. The showers here. Well, shower and toilets. Anyways, you got your life jackets down there for rent. I just know for a fact later on, this is going to be a painful climb back up. This is right here. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. This is actually insane, dude. I put you guys on the GoPro, so I'm sorry if you guys sound different. But yeah, now let's get started. Oh, let's go. You do need a life jacket here to swim. They won't allow you to swim. Look at this, the dog is right here again. Same one that came down with us. Are you excited? Lana, excited?
I'm keen, bro. I'm keen. Let's go.
Let's do this. Let's do this. This water is actually the perfect temperature.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my vlog.
When it's said and done, but I'm still holding on, 'cause you left me here, and I'm sad that we're not anything anymore.
Bruh. Almost there. Oh my gosh. Well, we could have not done this without a life jacket. Oh god. Time out. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath.
Yeah, that's brothers.
Drowning.
Yes, sir, brother. I can't breathe. Oh, it's freezing. Come on, boy. What is this? I made it. We're in a cave. We made it. We actually made it. You tired? Very tired?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me get the back there. Maybe I'll get the back there.
Okay, I want to bring you up.
Have fun.
Water's coming from down.
Have fun, guys. Okay, have fun.
No, I'm so intense, Peter.
Let's go. We're gonna go to that waterfall over there. Look, we're all on one side.
Is this a banana boat? Yeah, what happened to it?
No, you're about. It doesn't really work. Yeah, easy it is.
Oh my god. That hurt.
Oh my god. Bro, I couldn't breathe there.
Rocco stood up like boulder up.
Huh? You can't breathe. I can't hear. I'm worried about Unfortunately, 10 minutes after we visited the waterfall, it started to rain quite heavily, and since our stuff was not undercover, we quickly had to leave. Now, again, unfortunately, I didn't get to record the climb back upstairs since my hands were full, but once we got in the van, we were meant to go check out a resort from one of my dad's friends, but by the time we got there, it was closed. But we also bumped into another waterfall nearby. What was it? After spending about 30 minutes there taking photos and messing around, we eventually had to leave since the road was starting to flood. And by the time we got into the van, both of my cameras died, so unfortunately I didn't get to record anything on the way back to the house. But this was the end of day 2, and when we got back, we were all tired and ready for bed. With that being said, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Goodbye.